Welcome to Fast Excel Lessons. I'm Chris Sommerhoff. This lesson shows how to create Excel's trim formula. It lets you eliminate extra leading, middle, and trailing spaces from a cell. Here's a report showing company sales by region. In the Before Trim region column, 3 items highlighted in yellow have extra spaces. One with extra leading spaces, one with extra trailing spaces, and one with extra middle spaces. You can create a column with corrected region names using trim. Select the first data cell in the After Trim region column and enter $trim, left parenthesis, select the Before Trim region data cell, right parenthesis, enter, and copy the formula down. The extra spaces for the 3 highlighted items have now been eliminated and the region names are now correct. Also, correcting data with trim doesn't just provide a visual improvement to data. Various formula totals that rely on those region names will also be corrected. I'll ungroup columns H through I and show that sales for each region have been summed with the SUMIF function. First using the incorrect Before Trim region names, and then using the correct After Trim region names. Notice that the sales total of $107,000 in column F of the report is not correct in the Before Trim calculation column I, but it is correct in the After Trim column J. This same correction happens for calculations like VLOOKUP and COUNTIF. So use trim whenever you think you may have unwanted leading, trailing, or extra middle spaces in your data. Go to the Fast Excel Lessons YouTube channel and see more free lessons.